Take a look at my wallet. If you're serious about making bank, stick with me because I'm breaking down the whole playbook right now. For months, I was obsessed with trading meme coins 24/7, and I got sick of wasting all my money on shady rug pull projects. But then I found a new strategy. Now I can double or triple my investment in just seconds. The best part, you can do it over and over again, and that's how I've been stacking cash at lightning speed. And let's be real, trading meme coins will not make you rich, okay? The real cash is actually in creating them and becoming the creator of these coins. That's why today, I want to give y'all a straight, easy, reliable method a lot of people have been using these last couple of weeks to make a shit ton of money by launching their own meme coins. You know what? I'm gonna tell you right now what the method is. Basically, we're launching coins using launch token.fun. We're launching coins here, and the specialty about launching your own coins here is that the coins are being listed on the Rhythm Dex, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun, because if y'all don't know, Pump.Fun is saturated and too many people are making coins on the Pump.Fun Dex, so you have to be making coins on the Rhythm Dex if you want to reach that higher market cap. For example, if I go on Photon and I go on trending and I select the Pump.Fun Dex, just look at the market caps, bro. They're extremely low. 20k, 20k, 15k, 4k. But if I go on the Rhythm Dex, the market caps are 100 times more higher. So 2.7 million, 14 million, 50,000, 90,000, okay? The point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on launchtoken.fun if you actually want to make some money. Now, if you want to launch your own coin, right, you have two different options. The first option is to create it yourself by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image right here. Or if you are lazy like me and you want to make coins with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy trending coins feature right here. Click on that, and every single coin that is trending right here, okay, it is guaranteed to get you buyers. So if you duplicate any coin here, you are guaranteed to make some money and make at least a couple hundred to a couple $1,000. Or fuck it, you could even make like life-changing money off one of these coins, right? Now, something else that you can do is scan the new tokens that are being launched right here, right? And you could potentially find a winning coin to duplicate and make a shit ton of money off of. I've personally made over $100,000 off this website just by duplicating coins and by making a shit ton of money by doing that. But now it's time to actually create the coin, okay? So I'm gonna look for something that is popping. Okay, the Vine 2.0 coin right here just caught my attention. It has 125 replies and a $41,000 market cap, okay? So I'm actually going to create this coin. A warning will pop up, okay, but don't be scared, okay? This is completely normal. Just proceed anyway and ignore it. Confirm, understand, confirm. And then your coin will be created shortly. Okay. Now after that, copy a token address and click on create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. And then select your coin here, right? Here you want to select your Solana balance. Here click on max to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity to the public to be traded, right? And the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money, okay? So you will not lose this money since you'll be the first buyer inside the coin. So you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I like to put 0.5 because that is what I'm comfortable with, okay? And then you can do create liquidity pool in 3, 2, 1, create pool. Also make sure you have enough in your Solana balance. I obviously have enough. And then do confirm. And then click on refresh. Okay, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already 10% in profit, so I'm already $6 up. And now click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Let me go in the lower time frame. Okay, it is pumping at the moment. $150 is in liquidity right now. Okay, it's pumping. Okay, it's pumping. Okay, it's pumping a lot right now. It's pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. Okay, let's go. Okay, now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity. So come back to launchtoken.fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Then click on confirm. And boom, you just removed the liquidity. And now if I open my Phantom wallet, As you can see, 3.1484 Sana is back inside my wallet, and I think I had 2.2 at the beginning, so I made around 1 Sana in profit. That's basically $130 without doing anything, bro. It took me just a couple seconds to remove the liquidity, and that's how you make some money, bro. Go do it yourself. Join my Telegram group down below, and yeah, bye.